it is time again for another beauty box. Today we have our Vegan Cuts box. So quickly, this is the January box. I just received it today, so it's like February 3rd. Yeah, February 3rd. I did reach out and ask them last week why my box wasn't even shipped yet, and they were like, oh, we're running behind, blah blah. It's fine, it's all right, but I've already paid for the 12-month for Vegan Cuts, which we'll talk about prices later. So I would expect that maybe this is just a fluke. I hope it's just a fluke, because if I'm not receiving my boxes until like the next month when I'm supposed to get them, I don't think I would recommend getting this, and I would probably ask for a refund. So just FYI. All right, so let's open it up and see what we got inside. Open the door to vegan. All right. Be in love with your life, every detail, all of it. Wow, that's so pretty. Your heart is a powerful force. Be a rainbow. Kindness is like snow. It beautifies everything it covers. Very cute. All right, so this tells us the product highlights, which I really like that they do this. It makes my life really easy. January, glow resolutions for the new year. And this is what I really like about Vegan Cuts is every month it tells you which sanctuary you're helping support. This one is the Woodstock Animal Sanctuary. Super cool. All right, let's see what we got. So first, we've got Vegan by Happy Skin. Original Skin Essence Toner. I really do like toners. I use them every day. So there's the ingredients. I'm going to be very excited to give that a try. Next, we've got Dr. Botanical. So in my other box I got, the Petite War box, I also had something from Dr. Botanicals. But this is a plant-based salicylic acid exfoliator for all skin types. So I don't use exfoliators very often, at least not like a scrub, usually like an exfoliating mask maybe, but let's see what this says here. Yeah, it's just a scrub. But there's the ingredients. And I like that all of these things just straight up say vegan, plant-based. Oh, a lip balm. Cute. This one's kind of a weird shape. Hurrah, mint lip balm. It's always so hard to find lip balm that doesn't have beeswax. Cool. Vegan. Let me get that Leaping Bunny certification. Cool. Next, and I guess this is the last thing because I don't see anything else. We've got vegan Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Bakuchiol Eye Cream. Some more eye cream. I don't use eye cream very often, but I guess I am now because both my beauty boxes have eye cream. Okay, so first and foremost, on the card it says Piper Y body wash with chamomile and ginger. That is not what I received. I received the Hurrah lip balm. Yet again, it's like, am I not getting the same thing as everyone else because maybe they ran out of product? It is what it is. It's just a little frustrating. I don't need body wash, but like the body wash is a $16 value. This lip balm is $4 to $5 value. Big difference. Do I think that I will use this? Yeah, I definitely will. I'll definitely put it in my go bag. It's a nice thing to have. But just have to say that up front that is not what is on the card. All right, so the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Eye Cream retails for $10. That's pretty affordable, honestly, if you are looking for an eye cream that says retinol alternative. So there's that. I think that's pretty affordable. The Dr. Botanicals, this size, the 30 ml, is about $15. I'm definitely going to try all of these products. I mean, they all sound pretty interesting. But I don't know how good this is going to be for my skin. We will see. I don't usually use like exfoliating scrubs, but we'll see how it goes. And then the big ticket item is actually the toner, which is the one I'm most excited about because I do use toner pretty frequently. The Vegan by Happy Skin Original Skin Essence Toner retails for about $50 for this little bottle. That's pretty expensive. Like, the most expensive skincare thing that I've ever bought, like repurchased from a box, is the OC facial moisturizer, which is about $50. But I hope I like this one because I'm always trying new toners and stuff. I've never found one that I'm just like in love with. So if I would have gotten the Piper Y body wash, this box would have retailed for about $91. Since I got the lip balm instead, it's retailing for about $80. Now, they have different plans, unlike the Petite Vour box, where you just have the standard $25 for that Petite Vour Plus box. If you're doing it monthly, it's basically $30. If you're doing a 3-month subscription, it's basically $29. If you're doing the 6-month subscription, it's about $28. And then I'm doing the 12-month subscription, which is about $25. So they're about the same price overall, but I'm just paying it all in advance, which is what I prefer to do. I'm hoping that next month goes a little bit smoother, or I guess this month. But I'm going to be trying all these products, and then when I get my next box, I will let you guys know what I think in that video of the last month's products. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. Carbon appreciates it too. And I'll see you next time. Bye!